Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Davinci Resolve to your videos. So now I have these free videos and I want to put the music on it. So all I have to do is, of course, download that music. If you want to use a copyright, you can find it on YouTube or on any platforms which offer no copyright music. And once you've done that, you want to right click of your mouse and click import media, this one, and import your audio here. Now once you've done that, you're gonna choose this music and you're gonna drag it to the bottom here, and if you want it to start later you can just move it like so. I want it to start at the start. Now it will be really loud, so all you have to do is basically click on it and hold your left, as you can see. When you start to see those arrows, now once you start to see those arrows, when you go on the video, as you can see right there, those white ones, you want to click your left mouse click and you want to bring down the volume. As you can see, you can bring it down and then it will be way quieter. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.